Hi, I'm Bethany, and that's true.
Volcanoes can be destructive forces. Erupting lava can destroy everything in its path.
Volcanoes can also be constructive forces. These powerful openings in the earth have left behind unique formations.
Today we're in search of a structure formed by these eruptions, but we're gonna have to go underground to find it.
It's the Mojave Lava Tube, coming up on Oddity Odysseys. We should watch a movie tonight.
Which movie are you in the mood for?
I think Indiana Jones, Last Crusade.
Oh, we gotta watch Raiders of the Lost Ark, come on. That's the best one.
I mean, Last Crusade has Indy and his father strapped back to back in chairs, the Holy Grail expedition.
But Raiders of the Lost Ark was like the first one, and Marion's like a total badass. They find the Ark of the Covenant.
But it didn't save anyone's life, like the cup did.
But their faces melted.
Exactly, killed a bunch of people.
The faces melting is so much cooler. Maybe we should
Are we into this road yet? What are we looking for here? Halfway between Los Angeles and Las Vegas is a town called Baker. From the Baker Freeway exit, take Cal Baker Road southeast for 24 miles. At that point, keep your eyes open for an unmarked dirt road on the left. This would be Aiken Mine Road.
Judging by the fact that this is in the only turn for miles, I'm guessing this has to be Aiken Mine Road. Oh God, is it gonna be like this the whole way?
Probably.
But as they say, the biggest part of finding the lava tube is just figuring out how to get there.
Yeah, and enduring this road.
And enduring the road, apparently. This is the worst. Oh my God. Only like 4.5 miles of this. Take this another 4.5 miles and you'll hit a fork in the road. The left fork will lead to a dirt parking lot where we'll have to ditch the car and continue on foot. Well, here's I think this is our fork.
Yeah, that's the only one we've seen. Lava Tube Trail, so I'm assuming that means this is where we go.
That's a pretty obvious clue.
Follow that little arrow.
Oh, it's still bumpy. Oh, this is it. This is the parking lot. That's the trail. There it is. I guess we park here then. Oh, thank God that part's over. So hike it in the rest of the way, I guess. The tube's not far from here, right?
No, it's just supposed to be a quarter mile up this road.
Okay.
And the location of the tube is marked itself, so it should be pretty easy to find.
Away we go.
Yep.
The Mojave National Preserve has an expansive history of volcanic activity.
The formation of the Mojave Lava Tube occurred approximately 7.6 million years ago. The lava tube formed when molten basaltic lava spread over the landscape.
Although the top layer of lava cooled, lava continued moving beneath and carved tunnels. Now only a hollow tube has been left in its wake.
No motor vehicles.
You mean we could have driven all the way to here?
I was ready to go a lot farther.
Quarter of a mile goes by faster than you think. Actually, we can still see the car from here.
I think we're walking over it right now.
Oh, that is definitely a hole.
Or it could be another one.
I'm sure there are others around here that no one's ever discovered. What is this?
It's like a big crater.
One of these is probably where the light shines in.
Oh, I think I see. See up there's look like stairs.
There's definitely some structure up there.
That's convenient.
Oh, nice. No climbing. So it's pretty easy to get in once you get here because there's a staircase. Well, more of a ladder set up for us. So.
Well, that's nice. We don't have to jump down there.
Yeah, no climbing involved. You want to go first?
Actually, this time I think I do.
You know, actually I better go first just to make sure.
No, that's not fair. I think we need to stick with our general rule.
You always go first.
And I get to see it first. Although I might need a flashlight.
Yeah, it gets dark down there.
It gets dark.
All right, one for you.
Oh, thank you.
This one has a little juice left.
Just a little bit.
All right, so me first, right?
You know what? All right. Go ahead.
Yay.
Let me know how it goes. I thought these bars would be like scalding hot, but they're not.
No.
That's nice.
It's a little bit in the shade. Oh, look at that.
So you can either go right or left, but I think that's a dead end. The tube would have to be that way since we walked over it.
Right.
I guess we could try that first.
So this way?
Yeah, I'll go down there.
You may go first.
Oh, thanks. Now that we know maybe the imminent danger has passed.
Yeah.
Nice and cool in here.
It is a little cooler, yeah. Such a hot day, it helps.
Yeah. The shortest part is only supposed to be about 3 feet high.
That's pretty short.
We're gonna have to crawl.
This is like hands and knees situation.
Not that bad.
Boy, it's really low ceiling though.
I see something in there. Ah!
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't do except for the backpack. It's like making me a little bit more hunched.
It makes you a little taller.
Yeah. Wasn't better than I thought it would be. Watch out!
Right?
Careful. Ooh.
Oh, cool.
Light.
Yeah, this is what we came here to see. This is very Indiana Jones-esque.
Yes.
Isn't it?
So quiet down here.
Yeah. Wow, so cool. They say it's about 500 feet long.
Yeah, and the best time to come should be from 11 to 1.
Yeah.
And obviously not on a cloudy day.
Right. Because that's the time that this shaft of light falls perfectly down this hole. Goes back pretty far.
Yeah. This over here is his little brother.
Still adds a lot to the ambiance.
Mm-hmm.
Is there more?
It's a dead end.
So lava used to flow right through here as it was draining from the volcano nearby. And it left a long empty tube full of very porous rock.
The Mojave Lava Tube, a natural phenomenon that is quite the experience.
But hey, if you're not able to come experience it for yourself, be sure to check out our 360-degree video.
And for those of you who do plan on making the trip out here, safety is key and preservation of this place is important.
For more adventures, check out oddityodyseys.com, and we will see you next time. I would say this is one of the neater places we've explored.
It exceeded expectations.
Definitely. Oh, I know what to do. One last thing.
What?
Get the 360 camera. Trust me, this will be amazing.
Okay.
What time is it?
12:30.
Yep. Now I know where to find the Ark of the Covenant. Looks like we're watching Raiders of the Lost Ark tonight.
I still stand by my choices.